basically, Iran's threatening World War III. The UK is bombing Iran, but Iran has said it could cause a regional war, and a lot more. So here's all the news in just the last 24 hours. The UK is actually considering bombing Iran. Yeah, the UK is actually considering that if the US bombs Iran, then they will too, and everyone needs to know about this. But first, there's some far more important news that's happened which you need to know about. One of those being that if the US does attack Iran, Iran has said it will cause a regional war. This is the first time Iran has said this. They said, quote, the US should know that if they start a war this time, it will be a regional war. And that means that other countries will join in and bomb the US along with Iran. As well as that, American military bases would come under attack all over the Middle East. Basically, Iran's threatening World War III. But you need to know this came as part of a speech that the Iranian leader Khamenei was doing just yesterday. And in that speech, he said that the reason the US wants to attack Iran this time is not because of nuclear weapons, but because the US wants to, quote, devour Iran and its vast oil and natural gas resources. They're saying this is all over oil. But Iran also commented on the protests that happened over the last few weeks, which were totally against the government, which resulted in thousands of people being killed. Iran said, quote, the recent protests were similar to a coup. Of course, though, that coup was suppressed.